For Rafael Figueroa, the American dream looks a lot like polished marble.
The reason why I love natural stone is because this is an industry and a product that I started to work with like 21 years ago. I started to think that there was a lot of potential on what could be done with marble. Back then, when I got started, you could only see like beautiful countertops, beautiful backsplashes, but through the years, it has evolved to one-of-a-kind marble pieces. It comes from all over the world. Every piece is different, and there's no installation, there's no home that is going to have the same marble as the other house. That was pretty much what got my attention, that every piece was so beautiful and unique, and it has so much history and the past of where they come from. I was so impressed and willing to keep learning.
Rafael immigrated to the U.S. from Mexico when he was in his early 20s. Knowing little English and having limited job experience, he started working at the bottom of the stone installation industry.
My early career was pretty much learning. I mean, I was installing myself, worked for a shop for a couple of months, helping them with customer service and sales. They fired me because, again, I had no experience. I didn't speak English very well. So I moved to another company. I realized that, Dallas was growing, booming. It was booming. I mean, construction everywhere. So I was like, you know what? I think that there's a lot to do to give back to the clients, not just take an order. So I was like, it's got to be a different way of doing business. I created the name of the company, and it was a nice name to give people kind of like the experience of working with Italy. That's the name, Il Granito. Everybody called their companies the same: perfect stone, alluring countertop, beautiful countertops. I'm like, no, I mean, there's more into this, the passion, the uniqueness of marble.
Rafael started Il Granito in 2002. Since then, it has grown to become one of the leading luxury stone installation and design companies in the state of Texas.
We work for home builders, some remodelers, designers, architects. Really, all those people become a team that works on a project. In some way, all those people are our clients. When someone needs something that's never been done before, we get those calls. It's good to have those challenges. Every day we get better, it's never boring, and it's extremely rewarding when we get done.
This isn't just for the kitchen either. Il Granito is able to wrap the entire house in marble if that's what the client wants.
We are great at giving the client what they want. Some of the projects, it took us like 2.5 years, from planning to reading the plans to doing takeoffs to going to Italy, hand selecting the material, bringing it here, mock-ups, creating drawings, then to the installation. Through us having the attitude, yes, we can do it all, yes, we'll make you happy, the clients feel like they want to do more and put us to the challenge.
I admire Rafael because he's a really positive guy. That customer has an idea, he does care more about the customer than the quantity of work.
That drive of not letting anything loose, just trying to be tight and keep the whole momentum of what we have going on moving. Because I wake up and either my employees have something going on, or either a job has something going on, or a client has something going on. So the mix of them drive me to keep achieving and keep tackling the task, tackling the world.
To find out more about Il Granito, visit il-granito.com and designingspaces.tv.